Good day, sir. I am John Leostar D. Elia. Uh, this is my oral examination on forensic chemistry and toxicology. And I've choose 10 questions, and this is my first question. What is forensic chemistry? So, forensic chemistry is defined as the branch of chemistry which deals with the application of chemical principles in the solution of crime. Uh, Forensic chemistry plays a very important part in the investigation and the administration of justice. So, and my second question is uh, discuss the golden rules in the practice of forensic chemistry. So, first is go slowly. So, it states that good work cannot be buried, therefore, take all the time necessary to make the case complete, no matter how urgent it may appear. And second is be thorough. Be thorough. Make careful and minute examination of everything. Do not satisfy with the qualitative analysis in a if quantitative one be possible. Then third is keep note. Keep a full, neat and clean record of everything seen in the and everything seen and done. Then four, consult others. Many cases will lead in the expert into paths with which he is not familiar, and within the happens he should consult those who are most likely to know. And fifth is use imagination. So an expert with wide uncontrollable imagination is considered as the most dangerous creature. Uh, True. Then six, the last of the golden rule, and avoid complicated theories. So the simplest explanation is fundamental, the right one. So my third question is what is hearsay evidence? So uh, hearsay evidence is the statement made by a witness on the authority of another and not his own personal knowledge and observation. And fourth question is differentiate ordinary witness from an expert witness. So ordinary witness cannot testify on things or fact that which he has not present expect those provided by law, while the expert witness can testify on things which he has not seen by giving his opinions and deductions on the statement of facts. And my fifth question is what is the purpose of drug test? So it can help a person to admit or acknowledge the drug abuse problem, and also identify symptoms and signs of the drug abuse and addiction to provide early interventions and help to prevent accidents. So the sixth question is differentiate screening test from confirmatory test. So screening test is employed to reduce the family or group of drugs to a small and manageable number. It includes series of color tests, procedure characteristics, and color for each family or group of drugs. So the confirmatory test is the method employed to confirm the result of the screening test. This involves the application of the analytical procedure to identify the presence of any specific drugs. And so, seventh question: discuss the different types of tampered urine specimen. So the first is adulterated. So as a specimen containing either substance that is not normal and constituent for the type of specimen. Then dilated refers to a specimen with less than normal ecological constituents. Then the third is substitute, a specimen which has been derived through switching or replacement of the original sample. Then my eighth question is, when do you consider a urine specimen is valid? So when it is adulterated, substituted, or dilated, uh, improperly collected, handled, and stored. Then last is improperly documented. So my ninth question is, describe how the gunpowder residue may be found within the firearm is fired. So gunshot residue comes from the powder component of bullet elements from cartridge cases and gun barrels. So and the bullet passes when these components are burned. Certain products of combustion are formed, which includes partially burned and unburned particles. And my last question is, what is paraffin test? So the paraffin test is used to determine whether a person has discharged of a gun. And the basis of this test is the presence of the nitrates and the gunpowder residue. So that's all, and thank you.